How to fix Instagram crashing on iPhone. So if your Instagram app is repeatedly and constantly crashing on your iPhone, what are some of the things that you can do to hopefully solve it? Now, to solve this issue, what you can try to do is, first of all, make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection. Then open up your app store on iPhone and just check if the Instagram app has an update. So search for Instagram and then it will give you the results. If your Instagram app shows update in this case, it means that it requires an update, and most of the times an update might help you solve the problem. If you're still having the issues, go to your settings, go to general, go to iPhone storage and ensure that you have plenty of storage left, because if you're running out of space, it shows you red text all over, then in that case your applications could be crashing. So you want to make sure to empty out some of the storage. Or you can go to Instagram option right from the storage tab and then select the option called offload apps. So what happens when you offload is it's going to help you get rid of most of the bugs and errors that you're facing in this app. Don't worry, it will not delete your data, but if it still doesn't help you solve the problem, then only you try to delete the app and reinstall the app and re-log in from your app store. So I hope the video pretty much helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.